I'm receiving some common queries from all of you as to whether कि sufficient time है preparation का for law entrance exams, whether जो course है हमारी website पे is that sufficient to clear this examination or there is time enough to complete that course in full, and also कितना lengthy है course, etc etc. So I'm going to address all these questions in this particular video. Hi guys, I'm Ayushi, your mentor for law entrance exams, and welcome to Law Digest. So इन questions को address करने के लिए सबसे पहले let me take you to my website so that you are able to understand things better. अगर preparation की बात करें तो yes, there is still time because board exams जो हैं everything depends on the board exams. Given the COVID times, it is not clear कि कब कैसे चीज़ें fall करेंगी, कैसे dates announce होंगी, कब हो सकते हैं examination. So yes, you still have time. There is still time for preparation. Now speaking of कि whether the course is sufficient, but addressing the second issue, that is whether you can complete the course or not. Now believe me, अगर आप अच्छे से पढ़ रहे हो then you can complete the courses that we have within a period of 1 week as well. हाँ, 1 week में भी ये possible है. How? Let me tell you. अब ये जो courses हैं यहाँ पर website पे you can see there are several courses, individual courses are also there and bundles are also there. Also don't forget कि यहाँ पर जो view all का option है, you should click on these to access all the bundles or to get to know about everything that's there that we have to offer for you for your entrance exams. I mostly advise people to go for bundles because they turn out to be more economical and cheaper as compared to individual courses. अगर हम for example एक bundle की बात करते हैं जो course for DU LLB 2021 है, उसकी बात करते हैं. So DU LLB 2021 का जो ये course है, यहाँ पर आपको सारी information already given है that this is a PDF course. So this one is a PDF course, but the thumbnail says that it will include crash course videos. So end में जो revision videos हैं, they will be added to this course without any further charge. इसी price में these will be added, and also there are monthly updates that keep getting made to this module, and also quizzes are obviously there. अब ये जो कोर्स है इसमें क्या क्या चीजें इंक्लूडेड हैं ये यहाँ पर क्लियरली मेंशन्ड है. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, टॉर्ट, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, फैमिली लॉ, आईपीआर लॉ, लीगल जीके, लीगल करंट जो आपका आता है, लीगल मैक्सिम्स, टर्म्स, लीगल रीजनिंग, यूनाइटेड नेशंस एंड पास्ट ईयर क्वेश्चंस along with the revision module, quiz revision module. All these things as you can see are available in this course. Reviews आप जाकर पढ़ सकते हैं. In fact you can check out playlist जहाँ पर success stories की बात करी गई है, जहाँ पर people who have opted for these courses in the past, they have given their feedback as to them. Then ये जो expiry आप यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं 3 months की, this will depend on the fact कि आपका exam कब हो रहा है. If you enroll for the course today or you have enrolled in the past, don't worry, the course will be available to you till the date of your examination. It won't expire before that because that is one of the other queries that I keep receiving. Then जो भी chapters, सब कुछ जो content इस course में covered है वो clearly यहाँ पर सारा given है, सारे chapters given है, contract, constitution में, tort में क्या क्या covered है. In fact, even if you are not a part of these courses or you are already studying from somewhere else, this information will help you to understand कि क्या topics आपको cover करने की जरूरत है, क्या क्या चीजें important है in examinations के लिए. Now the FAQ, if you will check here, it clearly mentions कि length क्या है course की, ये course कितना lengthy है. So here it clearly says कि ये जो course है ये 351 pages का है. PDF course है, it is of 351 pages in totality, and that excludes your legal current affairs because legal current affairs committees ये जो हैं they keep changing with time, तो इनका update होता रहता है. But all in all जो ये सारे subjects हैं, basic laws जो हैं, जो और legal related subjects हैं, इन सभी का मिला के 351 pages है, which is even less than a Harry Potter novel. So it is something which can be done within a week span only, and week span में भी इस course को पूरा पढ़ा जा सकता है. The course is made in such a manner that it is very simplified. We don't believe in long paragraphs. हमने हर चीज को break down करके we have simplified it in the best possible manner so that everything is available to you on a plate, everything is given to you on a platter, and you just have to digest it. Now this another course, the video course, with respect to which we get queries कि ये जो video course है इसमें videos का क्या length है, duration है. First of all, this is meant for all 3 year law एंट्रेंसेस, इवन फॉर जामिया एज वेल। तो जो भी 3 ईयर लॉ एंट्रेंसेस हैं जहाँ पर ये सब सब्जेक्ट्स आते हैं, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, क्राइम, आईपीसी, टॉर्ट एटसेट्रा, all these courses are there, all these subjects are covered herein. Apart from this, normal current affairs is also covered. Apart from the legal current affairs, normal current affairs is there, MCQs हैं बहुत सारे, and past year papers हैं बहुत सारे. So everything is covered herein. This is again, you can read on the feedback that is available on the website from the students. अब ये कोर्स का भी एक्सपायरी जो है, it will happen only after your exam gets over. It won't expire before your exam. पूरा जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन है इस बंडल को लेके, क्या क्या सब्जेक्ट्स हैं, क्या क्या टॉपिक्स कवर्ड हैं, एज द अदर वन, यहाँ पर भी सब कुछ मेंशन्ड है क्लियरली. फ्रीक्वेंटली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चंस पे अगर आप जाएंगे तो वहां पर आपकी और फर्दर क्वेरीज जो स्टूडेंट्स की आती हैं, दे आर क्लियरली गिवन कि मॉक टेस्ट जो हैं वो इसमें इंक्लूडेड नहीं है. इफ यू विल सी ऑन द वेबसाइट, टेस्ट सीरीज का अलग से सेक्शन है. सो इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर टेस्ट सीरीज, you can look them here separately. They are not included in this bundle, and the lectures are in the pre-recorded form. Live lectures नहीं है, pre-recorded form में है, so that you can access them whenever, wherever you want, and you don't have to worry about that your lecture will get missed. It is already pre-recorded, it's already there. कोई अगर doubts or queries हैं, they will be solved through WhatsApp, phone, Telegram, all these places you can reach out for getting your queries solved. And even if you are not a part of the modules, people do keep asking their doubts on our WhatsApp and Telegram groups. Then this course is sufficient or not? Yes, this course is sufficient because books, bare acts और experience को सबको compile करके इन courses को बनाया गया है. So these courses are sufficient for you to cover your legal and your current affairs portion. Then course का जो duration है अगर आप देखोगे, it is 782 minutes with respect to the videos. So in total 13 hours की videos हैं to be precise, which is like nothing. It is like even less than a day. So it is pretty doable. The course is pretty doable. एंड ये जो सारे कोर्सेज हैं, दीज आर मेंट फॉर योर गुड प्रेपरेशन. इनको स्पेशली इसीलिए बनाया गया है सो दैट यू हैव रेडी मटेरियल अवेलेबल विद यू, बिकॉज देर आर इशूज दैट पीपल फेस विद रिस्पेक्ट टू गुड मटेरियल इन द मार्केट. सो एवरीथिंग इज अवेलेबल एट वन प्लेस. इट हैज बीन क्यूरेटेड विद अ लॉट ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस, लॉट ऑफ ब्रेन्स हैव बीन अप्लाइड टू मेक दीज कोर्सेज फॉर यू. सो यू नीड नॉट वरी अबाउट द क्वेश्चंस की प्रेपरेशन के लिए टाइम कितना है, या कोर्स सफिशिएंट है या नहीं, या कितना लेंथी है. इट इज प्रिटी डूएबल. एंड जस्ट इन केस कोई क्वेरी, डाउट्स हैं, देन वी आर ऑलरेडी देयर ऑन डिफरेंट सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स टू हेल्प यू आउट विद देम. एंड ऑल्सो इवन इफ यू आर नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ दीज कोर्सेज एंड you have general queries or you are confused about something, you want any guidance with respect to your law entrance exams or law as a career option, then you can reach out to us. The links are already given in the description of this video. And just in case you are new to this channel and you are exploring further with respect to the field of law, then you can subscribe to our channel for more legal updates and also follow us on Instagram.